Hey everybody, it's me Zoe here. Today I'm going to be showing you the rainy day. So, let's go. Okay guys, so it's been raining, as you can kind of see. So I'm probably going to go outside and show you. Socks, shoes. Outside we go. Okay, so I unlocked the door. Ooh, it is chilly out here. Okay, and it definitely smells like rain. So as you can see, it's been raining. Look at the clouds. Anyway, and if you guys like our decorations, like this witch, like long black nails, she has a pimple, she has one tooth, she has a hat that my grandma sewed to her head. It says X's, and then we also got this that's nose ripped. Her hat used to come off, but now it doesn't. But hey, it's just sew up. This is another witch. This is a witch. Okay, so as you can see, it's been raining because of the road, the thing, and it smells like rain, by the way. It does, and it's not that cold. It really isn't. So I'm kind of chilly, but it's not cold. But yeah, we're having fun. 1, 2, 3. Hit it like you don't care. Oh gosh, that made me really dizzy. Okay. So guys, you like the weather? You like it? Oh, you like our blue painting? But look at that. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to sprinkle. We see a little bit of water in here. But look at that. That cloud. Yeah. So we're probably gonna go to Smith's. And we are probably, to see myself. Okay. So we're probably gonna go to Smith's. Oh my gosh. I have a bad sniffy nose. Stuffy nose. My God was vacuuming. I'm not going back in there. But yeah. So, oh gosh. Oh, look at my mat. Great. Alright, we're gonna need to tip that over. Tip. Oh my God, it's like literally freaking soaked. Oh, I'm leaving that down. By the way, the thing is still there. Oh wow. I'm gonna. Oh God. Look inside, guys. That used to be a hummingbird's nest. Is there anything in there? It kind of smells over here bad. I better water. Oh, they have been watered. This is a pepper plant. You can see one died. These are all peppers. Wow. Oh, there's a baby pepper right there. Oh, right there. Just focus. See right there. Here's another one. This is a pepper. That's a pepper. I want to show you a big one, and there's no big ones. Oh well. We're fine. It smells like poop out here. It smells bad. It smells bad out here tonight. Anyway, I'm looking at myself in this right there. But yeah, so if you guys noticed, my grandma's in there. She doesn't know I'm right here. Oh crap. Oh god. You can see it here. Oh, can't see in there because it's closed. So you can see right here. Nope. Let's go look. The front door. Can't see. Maybe you can see if there's any ants. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, grasshopper. It's just living under there. He's not under here. Do you hear that? Look at all of them birds. That one sounds beautiful. Focus. Just see that? I scared it. Oh well. Let's see if there's any more. There's a cricket. Right there. I'm scared of crickets, by the way. So, where is it? Right there. See if you can keep your eyes on it. You see it? Anybody comment? How is that not smashing him? He's right there. Is he dead? I'm scared, guys. Oh god. What was that? Oh god. He's right. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. I dropped that thing on him. So maybe he'll move. Don't know. Don't know. Ew. So gross. I hate freaking bugs. Oh god. Look at that rock. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, look at that frog. Look at the kitty, 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 kitty. Mwah. 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 You just kissed a rock, everybody. Look at that thing. I'm kind of thinking about that. I'm gonna see. Oh, it's still there, guys. It's still there. Keep your eyes on it. Where is it? Where is it? I think it's dead. It's right here. See that body? It's right there. It went in. Do you see it? It's raining. It's raining again. Hooray! Done now. There. Look at that sky. Look at that sky. Look at this. You want to go in it, guys? 1, 2, 3. Oh, God. Oh, gosh. Is it boring? Nope. Alright, guys. So, as you can see, by the title. Okay. So, everybody. As you can see by the title, look at in my grandma's car. It's so nice. Look at that. Why is it not raining hard enough? Rain harder! Yeah. That car just drove past. Okay. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. Should I go play soccer in the rain? Like, you gonna peek on that grandma? Look. She's over on that one house. Oh, let me zoom it in. See her? It's right there. Yeah, so guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's go peek on my grandma. Not in here. Where is she? I don't know. I'm gonna say I'm a robber. 1, 2, 3. I'm a robber. Oh, okay. So, thanks so much for watching. It's raining again. And, yeah.